What's good, guys? It's your boy Six Sad coming at you with another video.
It's your boy Cookie Crumble coming at you with another video.
Today's gonna be a reaction video and it's finna be lit. I saw the Jake song music video, just the 30 seconds.
Oh yeah,
and that shit was
lit.
so fire. We just came back from playing basketball and we saw it and we had to pull out the camera, turn on everything. So without further ado, guys, let's just start the video and see what Logan has to offer, man. Let's go.
Hey Jake, I made one phone call. I got the same house as you. Same cars too, it's really not that hard.
True.
Oh hey, by the way, welcome to the top, little brother. Feels good, huh? But let's not forget how you got here. Yo, little brother Jakey trying to roast me? What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet? Not for long. I'm a dog, you're a puppy, call you calm. Let's talk about your garbage that you call a song. It should be every other day, just some strong advice. I made you famous once, it's about to happen twice. Yeah, you on Disney, but who helped you read all your lines? Me? Don't forget, boy, you were my shadow on Vine. Now you got a few subscribers and you think that you're the shit. I'll admit, you got money, you got bars, you got chick, but you're a dick. You ain't thankful for your fans, it's kinda funny. Do your investors know Team 10 ain't making any money? See, it starts with the talent, but it's hard when you got none. I think you kinda salty cause I'm the favorite son. I'm a maverick, you're a sidekick, yeah, I brought you to LA. If there's one thing you should know, you don't fuck with the locate. Hold the bomber, always looking at your face, you don't know what it means to glow. Trying to dance and act the class is doing nothing, now you tried to rap, come on, hold up, cash the phone.
No. Yo, we have to pull it back, bro.
That's lit.
We have to pull it back. Yo, I don't care if you Jake Paul is on to dislike this, but yo, this is lit.
Because I'm the favorite son. I'm a maverick, you're a sidekick, yeah, I brought you to LA. If there's one thing you should know, you don't fuck with the locate. Hold the bomber, throw is looking at your face, you don't know what it means to glow. Trying to dance and act the class is doing nothing, now you tried to rap, come on, hold up, cash the flow, you can't know. Maybe Tim Till's got it, I mean that's how you grow. But you still can't sell out any shows, no you still can't find some matching clothes. You're just killing the vibe, yeah. You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you just ruin your life, yeah.
Yo!
You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you just ruin your life, yeah. What happened, Jake, man, we used to love each other. After all, we came from the same mother. Biologically, you know that makes us brothers. So much negativity, really
Can't compare, bro.
I feel like you just need a maverick shirt. You insult me, Jakey, it really hurts. Sometimes I wish my real brother was dirt. But now I gotta go and put you in the dirt. Whoa, wait, what? Hold up, why'd the music stop?
أنا أليس أفضل ده.
There is a second verse, but I'm not gonna release it. Jake owned up to his mistakes this morning, and he apologized to me, us, the Low Gang. So sorry, Low Gang. Sorry, Low Gang.
Yo, because he knows his brother that gonna roast him. Yo, he knew his brother was gonna roast him, so that's why he came out with the apology.
Wait.
Hashtag the second verse.
Yeah, fam. What if he releases the second verse?
Okay. And I also want to apologize to the Why Don't We boys. I took Jake's lyrics very personally. Like, they upset me. They really did. And I don't get this upset often, but as someone who is the bigger brother, as someone who wants to be a role model, I'm going to step down before the damage is irreversible. I love my brother. Jake, I love you, bro. I am so happy for your successes, but it is taking every fiber in my body to not release the second verse, but it is the right thing to do. I do everything that I do for the fans, and it means so much to me when I see you guys wearing my merch, when you greet me in the streets, and
yo, Logan is just so much more real. And he actually cares about his fans and shit. Like, look at all this, bro.
You guys give me the most precious commodity that humans have, which is your time. It means the world to me, guys. And with great influence comes great responsibility. And I want to be a role model for the world. So, Lil Gang, we're getting deep, bro. This is weird. But thank you guys for giving me your time.
So you didn't release the second
I am
verse.
honored to have you in my life. And Logan
Maybe
Paul,
when he said hashtag the second verse,
That's like
he needs like
we're supposed to do.
if he wants
He has
us
way
to.
more followers than me when you add everything up together. And so I thought people would think it was a joke about me saying like I have more subscribers than him. Like that's literally the only platform I think I have more followers than him on.
No, I got 2 channels, boy. 7.3 million. Merch link in the description. I'm dropping the second verse. Just kidding. Subscribe and join the Logan.
Low key disappointed.
Bro,
Yo, that shit was fire. Out of 10, what do
it
you
was
say?
lit. No, that was like an 8.
That was a 9 for me because he didn't release the second verse.
Yo, it was an 8 for me because he didn't release the second verse.
Jeez, yo,
No.
I feel bad for what's his name again? The guy who says everyday bro. Jake? Yeah, Jake Paul. I feel so bad for him. But anyways, let me just that wraps up the video, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. This is a very quick video because, as I said before, I watched it. Like I watched the first 30 seconds and yo, I have to make a reaction video. So yeah, if you like the video, smash the like button.
And if you want to see more of me in other videos, hashtag cookie crumble.
Anyways, guys, peace.